Jamaica, watch this.
Hello.
Put on me and turn off to take up my chicken and be a left and right. So, now let me know what really going.
Yeah.
Why me know me get some rotted lick?
So, what you like to the man, bro?
Boy, I'm in a trouble, you know.
So, what you
We just going at KFC to buy me some chicken.
Yeah.
And I saw him in there.
Yeah.
And I move from side of him and I saw a lady behind me.
Yeah.
And the lady said, to the lady say, every time I come at KFC, I see you.
Yeah.
We must get through before you. So the girl I say, okay, go along. Then now, the man start, let me say something with decent language. The man start saying, such a boy. I know, man can't get through before him.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm not carry him and bring him. Him did the attack, see him and I say, no big belly boy for overdump and walk with this big kind of money can't get through. Anyway, Mr. Brother and sister, I'm forward and so I'm no trouble you. I never see you, I don't hear and I don't. I try to stay far from you. Anyway, it happened that 2 hours cause them something mother, I say man, the man something and my friend them. So that the argument like him now, so I end up step to him and say, brother, if you don't leave me alone, I'm going to kill you now. So anyway, by the time I put on me and turn off to take up my chicken, I'll be a left and right.